reopen your camera? Hello?
Yes, okay. It's all right now.
Yeah. So firstly, can you open your camera again?
Already my camera open.
Yeah, so first close it, then again open it.
Okay, okay. Now, okay.
So good morning.
Yes, good morning. And how are you?
Yeah, I'm doing great. And what's about you?
I am also pretty good. And thanks for asking.
Meeting first time, so can you know something about you?
Sorry, repeat.
We are meeting first time, so can you introduce yourself?
Yes, definitely. It would be better if you start conversation with introduction. So this is SMS Travel. Before you, I'm from Bangladesh. I have already completed my post-graduation, Department of Accounting Information System. I love singing and I love travel. And recently, I also love to make conversation with any person. And that's all about it. So now
Yeah,
it's
that's
your
very
turn.
okay. So thank you so much for giving me such opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Sunidhi Kumari. I am from Jharkhand. As I'm studying class 9, I have 5 members in a family and it's 3 siblings, one me and 2 small brothers. And my hobby is to learn English language and to learn something new. And I am so much curious and eager to learn English language, even though I'm running 2 YouTube channel. That's all about me.
Okay, that's great. So what's your name?
Yeah, my name is Sunidhi Kumari.
Sunita Kumari.
Sunidhi.
Oh,
SUNI. Sunidhi Kumari.
okay. So why you want to learn speaking English?
Yeah, so do you know that English language is very, very important for nowadays, and we should learn English language because it is a very common for us nowadays. It has become common language for everybody to learn this language. We can also say like that if we want to connect to the people globally, then English is very, very necessary for us. Everywhere we are finding English language nowadays. Like at the international level also, if you want to give the international presentation, they are given through the English language only. If you want to take a good job also, then English plays an important role. In every case we can see that English is very, very necessary for us, so that's why English is very important. And we can also say like that in our future life we want to for the higher education also English is very, very necessary for us. And now we can also see in the rural areas, earlier people they were not aware about the English language, but nowadays all the people they are aware about the English language and they are learning English language. Even though the rural people they are also knowing English language, they are also able to speak English language. Why we are not able to speak? We can also say like that English is very, very necessary. Yes, like if you want to connect to the foreigner peoples, like if you go to the southern places where we can find that they are speaking their native language and we are also speaking our native language. So that's why for communication purpose also English is very, very necessary for us, like we are connecting here. So that's why we are learning English language for connecting people also. So that's why I can say that English is very, very important for us nowadays and we should learn English language.
Okay, so why you say so fast?
Yeah, I just think that I'm okay in saying, so that's why.
Okay, so what's your mother tongue?
That's what's your point of view about the English language?
Yes, definitely. I'm totally agree with you because English is an international language. When you learn about this language, the whole world in your hand. Okay, and you can communicate with any country's people without any hesitation and easily. When you go to abroad or if you know English properly, your foreign journey is very easy. Okay, and right now you cannot pass a day without English. It's
Yes,
not
yes, you
only
are,
essential for our job; it is very essential for our daily life.
yes,
Okay,
you are
and
absolutely
I cannot explain within any word the importance of learning English. Okay,
because
because
there are,
our phone,
yeah, there
our
are
cell,
various
our laptop, and everything is English version.
yeah, you are right. So may I ask like what's your journey about the English language? Like from when did you started to learn this language and to speak? And what the difficulties you faced when you started?
Okay, so it's only 3 months. Okay, and I 1 month talking in front of the camera with any people. It's not so long journey. Recently, that's why I'm beginner. I'm intermediate level speaker, and I know that I have many mistakes, but I try my best right now.
Like you also, my journey is relatable. Like when I was in class 6 or 7, at that time I started to learn English language because I was
So
facing a problem.
your
Yeah.
journey have been already 3 years.
Yeah, like I have firstly learned the grammar. Like firstly I learned the English language. After that, before 8 to 9 months, I started to speak English language. Like when I was in class 6 or 7, I just started to learn this language because English is very important for us, and English is the backbone of the English language. So that's why I just think that English is very very necessary for us. And my parents and my teacher told me that if you know the English language, then you will not going to face a lot of difficulties in your future life. So that's why I firstly learned the grammar. I just learned the basic part of the grammar, like how where we have to use the appropriate word, where we have to use the sentences, like this type of things I have learned. And after that, I was doing the activity at my home, that how I can give my introduction, how I can give my daily routine, like this type of things I was doing at my home. I was also, even though I was also practicing with my parents, with my brother, and I was also practicing with a co-learner, but I was hesitating so much, even though in my mind nothing was coming that what I have to speak. I was fearing that I'm not best, I cannot speak English language. I just left those all things that time only, and before 8 to 9 months I joined to the Skype application to speak English language because English is very important for us. So that's why I started to learn, and I just think that I will not gonna to face a lots of difficulties in my future life. So that's why, like this, my journey is ended, and I'm doing practice here only.
Okay, so what's your mother tongue? Hindi.
Yeah, yeah, my mother tongue is Hindi.
So when you start when you read class 7, that time you start your speaking journey, and it already been 2 years.
Yes, yes. No, yeah, just I was saying that I have started to learn English language at that time, and I just also left at that time only. And before 8 to 9 months, I started to speak English language.
Okay, okay. So right now you are a good speaker in English and you uh, get fluency. Okay,
Yeah, so I just
because
think that frequency is more frequency is more important than accuracy. Accuracy is most important. I just think that if we will speak wrong, then what is the matter of being a frequency? So that's why I just think that accuracy is also very important.
yes, definitely. I think when you have get fluency, that time you easily remove your mistake.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah, you are absolutely like that. When the people that started to speak English language at that time, many of the people they are lots of difficulties, like in the grammatical mistakes and so many errors they are doing. I was also doing a lots of mistake, and I was doing like that. Yeah, after the recording of the videos, I just go through the video and just see that what mistake I have done. Like this type of things I was doing at my home and was practicing a lot of speaking English language. And there are so many tips also through which the people they can learn English language, like LSRW, through which they can also improve their English language. And if the people they will follow the regular practice, then definitely they will be gonna to speak very well English language, and they can see a good result in themselves.
Yes, yes, definitely. So you are from India.
Yeah, yeah, I'm from India. So I just wanted to ask one question: that how do you practice English language?
How?
How do you practice English language?
Okay. I can I practice it sometimes 20 minutes day or sometimes it's 30 minutes. Okay, or sometimes it's totally off. And I obviously want to practice every single day. Okay.
Okay, so except
And
practicing in the Saudi application, do you use any other application to practice English language or other activity that you do at home?
yes, yes, yes. I just practice on my phone. It's first of all Skype. It's has been 1 month, and as well as Messenger, as WhatsApp. I can combine with any person. Okay.
Okay. Yeah, that's
And
very great. I just also wanted to ask that what do you want to give to the suggestion to those people who really want to learn English language?
yes, definitely. I want to suggest first of all listening. listening and writing. When suppose you selected any topic and then you listening this topic again and again and writing any papers, okay, and then you reading these topics and you mark some words, this type of what you don't know this meaning, okay, and that time and when you came in front of the camera, I think you will you can explain something about this topic, okay, and
Yeah.
listening, writing, speaking, and reading, these are most important. Okay.
Yes. It is
But
very very
listening,
necessary.
speaking, and speaking. Yes, yes, yes. So, do
Yeah.
you have or do you using any others application to uh, communicate with others?
No, no, I don't use any application except the Skype because I'm not getting much time to practice English language. Like I'm a student, so that's why I also focus on my studies. So that's why I'm not getting much time to practice in any other applications. I just think that if I get the half an hour or 1 hour, I just go on the Skype application to practice English language. And we can also say like today is Sunday, so that's why I can say that I can practice English language.
Yes, yes, definitely. So, you are from India. Who is state of India?
Yeah, pardon, please.
Who is state? Who is state of India or who is part of India?
Okay, so I'm from Jharkhand.
Jharkhand.
Yeah.
Okay, okay. You told me, but when you speak this, your speak is so fast. That's why I can understand, and that's why I asked you.
So you have any question to me?
Yes. So, uh, how is your feelings going on?
Okay, so talking about my English feelings going on is that
Yes,
I can
yes,
speak with
definitely.
a confident English language, but I'm not better than other people. I have to improve more and more about the English language, and now I can say in myself that I have nothing improved in myself only. I have to improve much and much, and have to become the better one. So that's why I'm practicing English language.
Okay, okay. So I think right now you are a fluent speaker in English. Okay, and you have a YouTube channel.
Yeah.
What kind of video you upload your channel?
Yeah, I used to upload the videos like the English conversation video because I just upload the videos because as I think that if the beginners one, if they will watch the video, they can learn so many things from our videos. So that's why I used to upload the videos on the in the YouTube's, and I used to upload the videos like the conversation English conversation video.
Okay, okay, that's great.
That's why I think that we have covered all those things. So shall we end our session?
Oh, now you want to leave now?
Yeah.
Okay, okay, no problem. So for the time being, it was very nice moment with you. Okay, and lots of love and best wishes for you. And that's all for today. See you soon.
Yeah. Thank you so much. Bye.
Most welcome.